Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to move the app icon to iPhone, then how to move multiple icons, and lastly, I will show how to move icons into a folder. So, let's watch the video till the end. First, I will show how to move app icons around the home screen pages. The first simple way is to press and hold onto the blank space of your iPhone screen. Then move the icon using your finger anywhere you want, like on the same page, another page, or on dock. Instead, just hold the icon and use your other hand to move between pages. You can also hold the icon and drag on the page dots to move icons between different pages. When you press and hold the icon, it shows different options displayed on the screen. Here, if you want to edit the home screen, then click Edit Home Screen, and you will see all the app icons get into wiggle mode, and the minus buttons appear next to all of them. Now, hold the icon and drag it over the other page. Then, drop it where you want to place it. So you can easily edit your iPhone home screen and share it with your friends and family, or if you no longer need to use the app, click on Remove the app to remove it. That's it. Next, I will show how to move multiple icons. So, first, tap and hold the first mover on the application. Now, you can add one or more application icons by tapping on each of them with a second finger. This will help you move multiple applications in a group and drag them to where you want, like another page or in a folder. Now, move the icons to another screen and leave them. At last, tap on the Done button. That's it. At last, let's see how to move icons into a folder. It is easy to put an icon in a folder. For that, tap and hold the icon and drag it to another icon. Doing this will create a new folder with both apps. So you can drag other icons into the folder. Then rename the folder. To stop wiggling apps, tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. That's it. I hope you get this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel to catch up and see more tips and tricks videos.